Hi everyone, welcome back to Discover and Learn. I am your communications coach and a soft skill trainer by profession, and I'm here to help you out with all your communications problems and to help you speak English fluently and confidently. Now, today I'm going to take up a very simple basic topic and I'm going to speak on it. And you know the rules. What I do here is I take up related vocabularies and then phrases and sentences in the next part to speak about on that topic. And then at the end or the third part, I come up with a small script which is very easy to follow related to the topic, and I speak on it so that you can shadow with me, you can speak after me, you can repeat after me, and you can come up with your own ideas, you can club together and speak on it. There are lots of things you can do with this session. So every day if you take one session of mine and you start speaking on these basic general conversational topics every single day, you will definitely get fluent and confident in speaking in English. So today we are talking about festivals. India is a land of festivals. We celebrate festivals every now and then, right? So we love celebrating festivals. Festivals basically reflects our culture and tradition, and we love celebrating them, and we love talking about them, and we love preparing for them. So let's talk about festivals today. So the first part I'm going to talk about related vocabulary, how we can talk about festivals with specific words. So the first word is, of course, festival. Festival means a special cultural or religious celebration. Right? Now here what you can do is you can just take this vocabulary and come up with a sentence on your own. This is your task. You can pause my video and you can start coming up with one sentence on your own related to each vocabulary. Next, tradition. Customs passed down in families or communities. Tradition. Every family has their own tradition. Next, rituals, special actions or ceremonies, right? Decorations, we do decorate our houses, lights, flowers, rangolis, or something else like ornaments, etc. Next is celebration, joyful gathering or event. So there's a celebration also where people collect and celebrate together. So joyful gathering or event. Food or sweets, special dishes prepared for the occasion. Now we have specific dishes also for the occasion, like Holi we have specific sweets and snacks. Holi we prefer homemade snacks and sweets. Diwali we buy sweets and give it to everyone. We serve it to people, etc. Music or dance. Of course there will be music, dance, or any games or something we play. Entertainment during the festival. Prayers, religious or spiritual activities, right? We do pray at home, we do pray outside. Family gathering, relatives coming together is called a family gathering. Okay, we do have a family gathering during festivals. Now, let's come to the phrases or sentences. Here also what you can do is when I speak about these phrases or sentences, you can also come up with another sentence on your own which has similar meaning or similar idea. Okay, in this way you will be able to describe anything in a better way, in 2-3 different ways, which is very important. And you have to get used to speaking English in this way, describing things in different ways so that you don't get stuck. The first one is, we celebrate this festival every year. Next, it is an important tradition in my culture. It is an important tradition in my culture. Next, we decorate our homes with lights and flowers. Next, we prepare special food and sweets. Right? Next, the festival brings joy and togetherness. Of course, the festival brings joy and togetherness. Next is, it is a time to share happiness with family and friends. It is a time to share happiness with family and friends. Right? Let's take up one phrase and I'll tell you how you can come up with new sentences related to the same sentence or related to this sentence. Let's take the sentence, we celebrate this festival every year. Now here what you can do is, we celebrate this festival every year in a grand way, right? Or in a different way. So this is how you can come up with different sentences with similar meaning, similar idea. Okay, so start practicing it in this way, guys. This is actually going to help you in your English speaking, having a conversation with people in English. You will know how to describe things in different ways. We'll have the command. Okay, so that is why practice in this way. Now let's come to the third part, which is a small script which I'm going to read. You have to follow me. First, what you can do is listen to every sentence very carefully, understand its meaning. You can pause it after every sentence and then try speaking after me. When I speak a sentence, pause it, try to repeat it in your own way. Once you're familiar with it, then try to speak along with me. This will help you in your tone, rhythm, intonation, pronunciation, and English speaking. How English is spoken. Okay, your muscle movement, your tongue movement, mouth movement, everything, you'll be able to practice everything in this way. Okay, so start doing this. So let's start. I want to talk about a festival we celebrate in my country. It is a very special occasion because it brings family and friends together. Which every festival does, right? We can talk about it in this way. We decorate our homes with lights and flowers and everyone wears new clothes. Absolutely. Special food and sweets are prepared and we enjoy them with our loved ones. There are also prayers and cultural activities like music and dance. The festival is full of joy, happiness, and togetherness. It is one of my favorite times of the year. We also meet and greet with our family, relatives, friends, and neighbors. Right? So every festival has meet and greet, right? We go out and meet people, we ask them to come to our house or they do come and visit us, right? During festivals. So this is how we celebrate festivals. So this is a very general way I've spoken about how do we celebrate festivals. You can take up specific festivals like Diwali, Holi, Christmas, Eid, or any other festival which you love to celebrate. You can take up that festival and you can just speak about it. So there will be some specific things which are related to these festivals, like Holi we play colors, right? Diwali we light the house with lamps, right? Eid we prepare sweets. So these are some specific things we talk about different festivals. When you take different festivals, you should know what to talk about. You have to talk about the specific thing which is related to that festival and not in general. So try speaking on this topic in this way, in a general way, then take up any festival of your choice which you love to celebrate and talk about it. How do you plan for it? What do you do? How do you decorate your house? Lots of things you can come up with. So come up with your own ideas, come up with your own sentences and try to speak on it. Speak in 2-3 different ways. Probably one in general. Next is, you can pick up one festival and you can speak about it. Next, you can again pick up another festival and you can speak about it. Okay. So try to speak on a particular topic in 2-3 different ways. This is actually going to help you to describe something in different ways. You will never get stuck. If you forget vocabulary or ideas or thoughts or anything else, you will be able to manage that conversation without letting the other person know about it. So this is how you have to practice to help you get better at speaking in English while having a real life conversation with people on any topic, anywhere. And these topics are very simple, guys. Once you start taking up these topics, it will definitely help you to start speaking in English. And you'll definitely gain clarity, confidence, and fluency in 30 days. So start today. And guys, if you like my videos, do subscribe my channel, like and share my videos. Drop your comments in the comment section about your thoughts on this series. Drop your comments in the comment section. And do not forget to press the notification icon so that you get all my videos on time, free of cost, and access to all the amazing content on this channel. What you have to do is stay tuned, stay connected, and watch my entire video to master this skill. Bye-bye. Take care.